I absolutely love that you're here right now. This is by far my favorite module. It's, in my opinion, it's probably my most valuable one. And it's one of the things that I'm most proud of in my business that I've been able to uniquely build that's led to the highest, I don't want to say the greatest amount of success, because I think some of the marketing things that I've done with video and social media have led to, the internet just doesn't sleep. So some of the things that I've done over there has led to more monetary success. But I would say that this module from a conversion standpoint, bar none, most valuable module that I have to offer. There's a book right here on my desk, and I brought this out here specifically. It's top 3. If you have not read The Fred Factor, read it. The Fred Factor is all about a character that turned ordinary, an ordinary everyday job that we all experience, we all take advantage of, but he turned it into an extraordinary experience. And that's what this module is all about. You can take an application, you can be just like all the other mortgage professionals out there, or you can provide a unique and extraordinary experience that will, I'm just going to be honest with you, up here in Seattle, it is super competitive. It's one of the most competitive markets, one of the most intelligent markets in America. And so you, not only do you have to provide a great experience, you have to provide, in my opinion, an extraordinary experience, or you are comparable to the next lowest rate. I got fed up with losing deals in 2014, 2015, 2016. So I perfected this. And by 2018, I had this process down like 98% complete. And over the last 3 or 4 years, I have it super dialed in. Will I continue to improve upon it? Probably, because that's just who I am. But in this module, you're going to learn my mortgage planning process. You're going to learn how to conduct a mortgage planning meeting with a client, but you're going to learn the before, because before is how you set the stage. Think of it as an event, as a game, a professional event. Like, I love baseball, professional baseball game. Do you know how much work and time and energy and money goes into that game? Not only from the players, but the coaches and the personnel and the people that are running the facilities and the GMs and the owners. So you're going to understand how to carry out a wonderful, a very profitable mortgage planning meeting that is extraordinary, that increases your conversion rate, but also gets people talking about your business. So you can create more current client referrals, but you can also create more, and those are referrals through the process, but you'll be able to create more referrals that sets the stage for a great closing and then a great post-closing experience. But what goes into it before is huge. From how I coach the real estate agents or the past clients to recommend me. By the way, I'll give away some of the secrets right now. It's through a joint text. Why? I want to be in that client's phone, and I want them in my phone. And the dialogue that I say on that initial phone call, I'm not going to give that away right now, has them name me in their phone so I'm top of mind, so that when I do call, I call them superhero calls. When my name shows up on their phone, I'm conditioning their brain. It's my Superman. It's a superhero call. It's positive, right? So how I coach real estate agents and past clients on how to introduce me to a client, how that joint text looks, how that initial call looks, what I say on that call to generate some information to then put into an email, how I make a budgeting report in that email, how my first-time homebuyer or homebuyer concierge page looks, and that's where I direct them to apply. They watch a video, they get a concierge packet, they apply. Our pre-approval process, you're going to get our WOW loan process. You're also going to get the mortgage planning meeting. That's what you're signing up for. So notice that that's one part of this, but then the follow-up. A lot of the times after we do the mortgage planning meeting, they don't buy right away. It might be a week, a month, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months before they actually get under contract. So how does that follow-up process look so we can stay top of mind? I want to show up in their phone. Remember, I'm programmed into their phone and I'm programming their mind. So I want to show up with value. So if this is something that you feel will be of value in your business, I want to say this isn't the most profitable thing of all the modules that I offer, but it's one of the most valuable because what it's done is it's caused my conversion rate in a very competitive market up here in Seattle. It's allowed my conversion rate to improve and increase, and every inch matters in a competitive and intelligent market like I'm in. So if you want more information on this, if you want to learn how to be the Fred in your marketplace relative to the mortgage industry, and if you haven't read that book, go read it. Then sign up for this module, and I look forward to seeing what it does in your business. Cheers.